Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing how to upgrade a standard light switch to a dimmable light switch, and we'll get started. So basically this is a standard single pole light switch and there's no settings, so you can't dim the lights assuming you have dimmable lights. And so I've got I've got LEDs underneath these little cabinets right here, and I want to install this thing. So basically what I'm going to be doing is showing how to do that. The very first step is to obviously turn off the power, and if you have one of these, it's a volt checker, so if it only beeps once it means there's no power. So if I just stick this thing in here, I can see that it's not hot right now, so make sure of that before. Make sure you cut the power to your ground at your circuit breaker. And now what I'm going to do is basically unscrew these two screws, and in the instructions, because we have a single pole switch, we're going to be using the red and black wires here, and then this white and red wire we're not going to be using because it's not a three-way switch. So basically I'm going to take this thing out, and then we'll throw in this guy and we'll see how that goes, so stay tuned. Okay, so I just took out these two Phillips screws. We're going to pull this guy out. You can see we've got our two black wires right here. So I'm going to come in and undo these just like that, and then per the instructions we've got our switch right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect, and it doesn't matter on these because all it does is connect the two. So I'm going to be connecting basically this red to one of these blacks and then this black to the other black. And I like using these Wego connectors because they're a lot safer than the others. And when you use these things, you have to make sure that they are the right length because they can be a bit long. So I'm just going to trim these real quick to the appropriate length. And on this red white wire right here, we can cap it with what they gave us here. I'll just screw that thing in place. Now we're going to come into here, and I'm going to attach red to red, or black to red in this case. And then we've also got this guy right here, coming with our other Wego connector. Cool, so that's that. And then I'm just going to cut this ground because I don't really care about it on this guy. I've already got a bunch of grounds in there, but make sure you're following your local code when you do this stuff. And then we'll push our wires back up in. That guy's looking okay. All right, so got this thing plugged back in, flip it on like this, and what I'm going to do is move this thing. You can see we've got both of our lights on right now, which is cool. If I lower it to that, that's cool. And then this little blue slider there, what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically lower that to the point where I can just barely see this light on. Flip this off. Make sure it still kind of turns on. Yeah, so I can set that to the minimum. So now we're getting the full spectrum of the LEDs by this dimmer switch. So that is that. We've now got a dimmer switch here to control our under cabinet lights here, which is pretty awesome. So thanks for watching.